Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'll show you how to change the squeeze sensitivity on the Apple Pencil Pro. So if you feel like the squeeze is a little too hard to do or too easy on the Apple Pencil Pro, what you can do is open up the settings, then select Apple Pencil. Make sure that the Apple Pencil is connected first to your iPad. Select Apple Pencil, and then under Actions, click on Squeeze. And down here you have the sensitivity slider. So this is the squeeze sensitivity. So if you scroll it all the way to the left, that means it's going to be the easiest to press, and to the right means the hardest to press. So you need to adjust, use more pressure. And that's about it. You can select any option that you want and try it out. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.